Are you interested in building a successful career in data science but not sure where to begin? Then this video is for you. Data science is one of the fastest growing career fields today, with opportunities across healthcare, banking, e-commerce, finance, manufacturing, and many other industries. Companies are actively looking for professionals with practical skills in Python, SQL, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data visualization, and analytics. Before choosing any training program, it is important to understand the learning process, industry requirements, career roadmap, and placement opportunities. That's why Coding Masters is conducting a free data science demo class in Hyderabad. In this demo session, you'll get an overview of the data science roadmap, learn about the latest industry trends, understand the essential skills required, and see how real-world projects help you become job-ready. You'll also have the opportunity to interact directly with the trainer and clarify your career-related questions. If you are a student, a working professional, or someone planning to switch careers, this demo class will help you make an informed decision. Attend our free demo class to understand the complete learning roadmap, practical training approach, placement guidance, and career opportunities. You will get all the details during the demo session. Call 897-726-2627. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more data science, AI, and career guidance videos. Thank you.